good? In this tutorial, we'll be looking at one of the best AI website builders, as I will be showing you step by step how to use TenWeb AI website builder. With TenWeb, there are 3 standout features that I'm sure you will like. For example, if you were to go onto tenweb.io and tap on generate your site, you can see the 3 standout features of TenWeb. The first option is you can use it to create a new website with AI. You can also use it to convert a non-WordPress site to WordPress with AI. All you'll need to do is insert a URL to recreate its layout with their AI feature. You can also choose to migrate a WordPress website that you currently own to TenWeb hosting. But for this example, we are going to tap on create a new site with AI. So we're going to tap on proceed. After you have tapped on proceed, you can see right here, let's start creating your website with AI. So all you'll need to do is tap on the search bar. From there, you can type in the type of website that you would like to create. So let's say, for example, we would like to create a portfolio website. So I'm going to simply select portfolio, then tap on next. After you have tapped on next, from here you can tell them your name. So I'm just going to type in Jason. Then you can tell them a bit about yourself. So for example, I'll just type in I'm a photographer. So I'm going to type in that real quick. So I'm a photographer. And then you can see, do you have your own domain? And I'm going to select no. So I'll need to give them some more information. So I'll type in I'm a wedding photographer. After you have typed in the information, you can see right here. So you can see service packages. So you could select these and you could edit them if you want. But I'm just going to leave the pre-fill information. Then I'll tap on next and you can see the different skills. I could fit in new skills if I want, but I'm going to leave the pre-fill option. After you have tapped on that, you'll be redirected to a new page. And from here, you can see it is creating our AI website in the background. So you're just going to give it a few seconds, and then from there, you'll be able to view your website. Next, we're going to tap on preview and edit. After selecting preview and edit, you'll be redirected to a new page. So at the moment, this is how our website looks. And remember, I'm trying to create a portfolio website. So you can see right there, by scrolling down, you can see how it looks. Now to start editing it, I would go over to the bottom right hand corner, and right where you see the pencil icon, you'll tap on edit your website. After you have tapped on edit your website, you can see the different elements on the left hand menu option right there. So for example, if I would like to change the image, all I would need to do is hover over it, tap on the pencil icon. After you have tapped on the pencil icon, you're going to see this pop up here. So this is what I would like to highlight. With TenWeb, while it is free to get started, if you would like to edit your website or so on, you will need to go onto one of their free trial period, meaning that I would need to tap on try TenWeb Pro or so on for 7 days. After you have tapped on that pop-up, you're going to automatically be led to this page. And then from here, you can select either their AI Starter, AI Premium, or AI Ultimate. Or if you would like to create an e-commerce website, you can select e-commerce and you can see the different options. If I were to select agency, you would see the different options. So you'll need to select one of these options. Once you have tapped on it, from here, you'll be prompted to enter your credit card information. And then from there, you can try TenWeb for free for 7 days. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be signing up so you can get a realistic feel of how it would look if you were to go using TenWeb, using your credit card and so on. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. So this is my new overview or better yet dashboard. Now all I'll need to do is scroll down and you can see that WordPress is up to date and so on. And if I wanted to back it up, I could do that by tap on enable now, and I would be able to back up my content. But since we're just getting started, we're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on AI Builder. So now all you'll need to do is tap on the pencil right here. which says edit. And by the way, you can see that at the moment the website has been published. So we can either tap on edit right there, or you could select edit website here. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see that you're using Elementor. So all you'll need to do to start editing, you can simply hover over the section that you would like to edit. So let's say, for example, we would like to change the image. You could select the current image that is there. After you have selected the image, from here, you could tap on choose image, or you could choose to generate an image with AI. Let's say we were to tap on choose image, and I'm just going to select a random file. So for example's sake, let's say I were to select this thumbnail, and I'm going to tap on open. After you have done that, you'll tap on select in the bottom right hand corner. So you can see how it looks, and from here you can increase the image resolution and so on. You can also tap on style, and from there you can see different editing features. And this is how you'll be able to edit each section. So you can tap on the other section right there, and you can change the layout, and you can also edit each section by tapping on it. You could change the image, and you can also change the text quite quickly. It is actually very easy to use Elementor to do your editing. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on preview changes in the top right hand corner to preview the changes. Then you'll be led to a new window, and from here you'll be able to preview how your website looks at the moment. So this is how it looks. Then if we were to go back, we can now tap on save and publish. So remember, before we entered our credit card information, we were not allowed to tap on save and publish, as it would only be automatically saved as a draft. But now we can save and publish our website. So now we have the opportunity for our website to go live. And remember that this is for a limited time, as you only get a free trial period. So after 7 days, they will charge you. So that is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. So while it is free to get started on 10web.io, if you would like your website to be published and to get access to different features, you're going to need to sign up using your credit card. So you can sign up using your credit card to get full access. Otherwise, from that, it is basically just a dummy website you're creating. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.